buying so much gold day by day, and it is central bank increasing money due to China economy in the world. So we have to discuss about why China is so much buying gold, because China has collected a huge amount of gold from all over the world in Central Bank of China. So every person of China has reserved its own at least in glass of peas, beans, by purchasing of gold. Every personality of China has gathered, collected gold, because in our history, whenever crises have been created, gold has not been decreased, but few days it has been decreased. After few days it will be increasing absolutely. So in my mind, in a central bank, a lot of gold has been reserved because China is giving loan by gold. Every person or every country deposited gold in Central Bank of China, and China tax debit absolutely less than the USA. The USA itself tax debit from the China by gold on the basis of less rate of debit. So absolutely, due to China economy, it is the star of rising world superpower China, due to purchasing and depositing of China. You consider and watch in every international newspaper, TV channels, you will get China GDP economy upgrade, because China takes less rate of the debit, and the USA get tax debits on the top of debit rate. But the USA is involved in many countries ongoing war, Ukraine, Taiwan, Egypt, Syria, Israel, Palestine, Afghanistan, and other many countries, South Korea. It expends its money on the war. The USA gives weapons by its superpower. But the USA day by day is weakening due to it is interrupting in all over the world. Although, meanwhile, you consider the China is negotiating with Taiwan, not war. Only in this world, one of the top of the most country, which is China, it has no conflict with any other country. But slowly, it is negotiating with Taiwan. If the USA banned